Hi children, good morning. Welcome to our EVS LSS online class. Children, what about your preparation for LSS exam? Doing well? Yes, very good. Today we are going to discuss about some important questions and their answers. All students take your LSS notebook and write these answers in your notebook. Okay. First one, who is known as Tiger of Mysore? Who is known as Tiger of Mysore? Tippu Sultan. Tippu Sultan is known as Tiger of Mysore. Second one, from where Dandi March started? From where Dandi March started? Do you answer? What is the answer? Yes, Sabarmati Ashramam. From where Dandi March started? Yes, Dandi March started from Sabarmati Ashramam. Sabarmati Ashramam in Gujarat. Sabarmati Ashramam in Gujarat. The next, who are known as Lal Bal Pal? Who are known as Lal Bal Pal? Lal Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Lal Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. The next, the song Variga Variga Sahajare. The song Variga Variga Sahajare was written in relation with Kerala Salt Satyagraha. The song Variga Variga Sahajare was written in relation with Kerala Salt Satyagraha. The next one, the song Variga Variga Sahajare was written by Amshi Narayana Pilla. The song Variga Variga Sahajare was written by Amshi Narayana Pilla. The next one, I will return only if I win, or else I will offer my body to seize. Whose words are this? Once again I say, I will return only if I win, or else I will offer my body to seize. Whose words are this? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi said, I will return only if I win, or else I will offer my body to seize, related to Salt Satyagraha. Whose words are this? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi, related to Salt Satyagraha. The first woman president of INC. What is the full form of INC? Yes, in the National Congress. The first woman president of INC, Annie Besant. Annie Besant, 1970. The next, Annie Besant, first president of INC, second, Sarojini Naidu. The next, Nelson Gupta. The next, Indira Gandhi. And next, Sonia Gandhi. Annie Besant and Nelson Gupta, non-Indians. Sarojini Naidu is the first Indian president of INC. Once again I say, the first woman president of INC, Annie Besant, 1970. Then that order, Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Nelson Gupta, Indira Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. The non-Indian, Annie Besant and Nelson Gupta. First woman president of INC in India, Sarojini Naidu. Also can understand about this one. The next one, who started the publication called Al-Amin? Who started the publication called Al-Amin? Yes, Muhammad Abdur Rahman. Muhammad Abdur Rahman. Next one, the movement that Gandhiji started after the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Which movement Gandhiji started after the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? Yes, non-corporation movement. Non-corporation movement. The next one, the first struggle that Gandhiji conducted in India against the British. The first struggle that Gandhiji conducted in India against the British. Champaran Satyagraha. Which one? Champaran Satyagraha. In which state Champaran village? In which state Champaran village? Yes, Bihar. Answer is Bihar. The next, The slogan "Do or Die" is related to which movement? The slogan "Do or Die." Can you hear about "Do or Die"? Yes, is related to which movement? Yes, Quit India movement. In which year Quit India movement? Yes, 1942. The next Pravasi Day is observed on January 9. Pravasi Day is observed on January 9. Who designed the national flag? Who designed the national flag? Pingali Venkaiah. Who designed the national flag? Pingali Venkaiah designed the national flag. Who is known as Kerala Gandhi? Yes, K. Kelappan. K. Kelappan is known as Kerala Gandhi. The next, the way that Gandhiji used for non-violent struggle is Satyagraha. The way that Gandhiji used for non-violent struggle, answer is Satyagraha. Then important years, Champaran Satyagraha 1917, Salt Satyagraha 1930, Quit India Movement 1942, Jallianwala Bagh Tragedy 1919, Kheda Satyagraha 1918. Once again I say Champaran Satyagraha 1917, Salt Satyagraha 1930, Quit India Movement 1942, Jallianwala Bagh Tragedy 1919, Kheda Satyagraha 1918. In which field Raja Ravi Verma was famous? In which field Raja Ravi Verma was famous? Yes, painting. Raja Ravi Verma was famous is painting. Which district is related to Yakshagana? Do you answer? What is the answer? Which district is related to Yakshagana? Yes, Kasaragod district. Who is the father of Yakshagana? Partha Subba is regarded as the father of Yakshagana. Partha Subba is regarded as the father of Yakshagana. Next one. Vallathol started Kerala Kalamandalam to encourage which art form? Answer is Kathakali. What is the answer? Kathakali. Yes, Vallathol Narayana Menon founded Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthuruthy. Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthuruthy in Thrissur district. Vallathol started Kerala Kalamandalam to encourage which art form? Yes, Kathakali. Kathakali is the king of art. Which is the king of art? Yes, Kathakali is the king of art. At Kalamandalam, training is given in the art of Kathakali. At Kerala Kalamandalam, training is given in the art of Kathakali. Children, you must write and study these poems. Write in your LSS notebook. Okay? Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.